Hi, my name is Fahad and I'm going to tell you about this new feature that HighLevel has just released. Now you can track leads for forms, surveys, and calendars in the Affiliate Manager. Well, previously we were only able to track leads when someone clicked on the affiliate link and actually made a purchase. But now we can also track the leads that fill out the form, survey, or the calendar without requiring the purchase. This is great for a lot of businesses, especially service industry clients who rely on appointments, submissions, and leads. So now let's have a look at how we can do that. So basically, first of all, we need to click on this marketing tab and go to the affiliate manager and then click on the campaigns. So when you come to the campaigns, this is the interface that you see. So let's click on add campaign here, and in here you can decide whether you want to track leads from the funnels or a website or form surveys or calendars. So for this example I'm going to choose forms, and now when you select the form you have to choose the name of the form. So I'll just choose a random form here for the sake of the video, and then we need to click next, and we can give a campaign description. That's totally optional. We can assign affiliates if we want to, and there's an email template that's basically sent to the affiliates in this campaign. You can also set up the cookie life, and yeah, you can explore the further settings, but and then simply click finish. You can save in draft mode or publish. So I'm going to publish it now, and that's it. That's all that you have to do. uh, we don't even have to add the products because we are not tracking purchases. So that's all that you need to do in order to track leads for with forms, surveys, or calendars. And for the next step, let's look at how we can add affiliates to this to the campaign. So if you go to the affiliate, just simply click add new affiliate, and I will put here my random email, right? And you can assign to the campaign and done. And now when you click here, um, if you want to see the leads that a specific affiliate had created, click on affiliate manager, go to the affiliate, click on the name of the affiliate, and this will show all the information. If you scroll down, you can see, click on the leads, and it will show you all the leads that this specific affiliate has brought in, and it will also show the source of that lead, whether that's coming from a purchase from a funnel website, or whether that's coming from form, survey, or calendar. So that's all that you need to know about this new feature. Good luck with using that. If you have any questions that you would like to ask me, you can you can comment in the video below. Thank you.